Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. My name is Prateek Sir. By qualification, I'm a chartered accountant. We are here with an estimation for your RBI Grade B examination 2025, that what can be the expected date of your examination, both for phase 1 and phase 2. What can be the expected pattern and what can be the vacancies, number of vacancies. So let's start the discussion. If I talk about the past data, let's try to analyze the 2024, 2023 and 2022 data. The application started somewhere around 25th of July to 16th of August, right? The phase 1 exam was scheduled on 8th of September and the phase 2 exam was scheduled on 19th of October. Okay, so usually if we see the trend of 2024, 2023 and 2022, we can see that the exam dates of both phase 1 as well as the phase 2 are scheduled either on Sunday or on Saturday, right? Though it's not at all a specified rule anywhere, still we can observe by looking at the past data, right? Here we can see that the phase 1 exam was there on 8th of September, and in 2023 we can see that the application was started in 9th of May, and the phase 1 examination was there on the 9th of July. Phase 2 was there on 30th of July, so यहाँ पे काफी कम time मिला था. Again, this was Saturday and Sunday. If I talk about the 2022 examination, the application started on 28th of March. The phase 1 examination was on 28th of May and the phase 2 examination was 25th of June. If we see it in a chart format, in a chart manner, if we try to have a look at the data, right, you can see that you are getting close to 45 days. If I talk about 2024, 60 days in 2023 and 61 days, close to 61 days in 2022, right? 2022. This is for your phase 1 examination. Application start hote you will be getting anywhere around 45 to 60 days. If I talk about phase 2, you are getting 40, 20 and 27 days respectively for your different examinations. So here we can take the average number of days as 30. Okay, for phase 1 to phase 2 we can take the average number of days as 30, and here it will be fine if we can even take anywhere around 40 to 55 days, right? So this is the basic trend that we can see by observing the previous year exam dates and patterns. So what can be the expected date of your examination? So guys, your form filling dates can start somewhere around 13th to 15th of September, right? Most probably by 13th or 5th or 14th. Okay, so if your application dates are starting here, then we can say that your phase 1 examination dates, high chances that your phase 1 examination dates can be 25th and 26th of October 2025. It can even be 1st or 2nd of November 2025. These can be your expected exam dates, right? Because before 25th we can see that this is the Diwali week, right? This is the Diwali week, so most expected dates can be 25th and 26th. इससे भी पहले if I talk about 10th and 11th, or so it will be too early. 11th and 12th, it will be too early for RBI Grade B examination is what I can say, right? I personally feel that there should be at least 40 to 45 days gap between the application filing and your phase 1 examination. So these will be the most probable dates: 25 October, 26th October, Saturday and Sunday, right? Or it can be 1st or 2nd of November as well. This is for your phase 1 examination. Coming to the phase 2 examination. Now it depends on what date your phase 1 is getting conducted. So if I talk that your phase 1 is around 25th or 26th, so your expected date of phase 2 examination can be 21st or maybe 22nd of November, right? Or it can even also be 29th or 30th of November. Okay, best scenario this one. If your phase 1 examination is scheduled on 25th or 26th, you will be getting close to 30 days, right? So 25 to 30 days, anywhere around. So you'll be having your phase 2 examination expected dates is 21st or 22nd of November. It can also be 29th or 30th of November. However, let's suppose you are having your phase 1 examination in the month of November, 1st or 2nd of November, then in that case it can be either 29th or 30th November. It can also go to 6th of December or 7th of December, right? So most probably this will be the most likely date for your phase 2 examination, right? और अगर आपका examination 25th या 26th को हुआ तो ये भी definitely आपकी examination date for phase 2 हो सकती है, right? So for phase 1 25th or 26th, or it can also be 1st or 2nd. definitely ये एक estimation ही होगा, right? We don't know the exact date. Nobody knows the exact date. You will be definitely knowing that once the notification is out, right? Coming to the expected exam pattern, I personally feel, plus as per our sources, we feel that the exam pattern should be the same only. There should not be any kind of change in your exam pattern, but let's see once the notification is out. However, we strongly believe that the exam pattern will be same only as per the previous notification only. Then if I talk about the expected number of vacancies, so as per our internal sources, we feel that the exam vacancies can be anywhere around 50 to 60. Okay, you can get anywhere around 50 to 60 vacancy as per our sources. Still, it can increase also, yeah, right? It can be 65 also, it can be 68 also, but this will be somewhere around, this can be the range 50 to 60, right? Now, if we talk about the RBI Grade A examination, as of now, that's a rumor in the market. We don't have any such information regarding the RBI Grade A examination, right? As of now, we can't comment on the RBI Grade A examination. We all know that RBI is recruiting via RBI Grade B examination every year, right? तो इसके लिए अभी फिलहाल के लिए कोई ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी नहीं है ग्रेड ए पे, राइट? अगर उसके रिगार्डिंग कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन आती है तो डेफिनेटली वी गाइज विल लेट यू नो अबाउट दैट एज वेल. ओके, so guys, all the very best, and what I can say you here is don't wait for the final notification, right? पहले हम normal एक sign के लिए wait कर रहे थे कि कब notification आएगा, right? Now it can be a case कि we are waiting for the actual notification. So I advise you guys to don't wait for the actual notification. Start studying, right? Study as much as you can. That will definitely give an edge over the competition. Okay. And if you need some mentorship, definitely you can check out our course as well. We are launching a RBI Grade B 2025 crash course. This is the batch 3, both for your phase 1 and your phase 2 examination. Here are the course highlights. You can check out the course highlights and take the decision accordingly. And if you haven't downloaded the preparation kit yet, you can download this free preparation for your preparation kit for your RBI Grade B examination preparation 2025. This is including the 10 free PDF ebooks. Very, very helpful for your preparation. You can download our application. There you'll be getting all the updates related to all the YouTube sessions, plus you'll be getting the PDFs as well related to the session. So wish you the very best, guys. In case of any query, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer that as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.